Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about one more concept of matrices. This is also most important concept for MSET, IIT JEE and other competitive exams also. Now let us start the class. See here two questions are given. They are first question of today's class. If a equals to 1334 and a square minus ka minus 5i2 equals to 0, then the value of k. First one is nothing but options are given here. First one is 3, second option is 5, third option is 7, fourth option is minus 7. Same type of question, but some different manner is there. That is nothing but if a equals to 1321, then determinant of a square minus 2a is how much? Options are given here: 5, 25, minus 5, minus 25. So these are the two questions here. So without solving these questions, we choose the answer. See here, how to choose this answer? First of all, see here, what is the answer of this one is nothing but 5. And second option again for second question, that is nothing but 25. So how to get this value directly? How to write this one directly? See here. Okay. So before that one, first of all, we know that traditional method or normal method of two problems. Okay. I will do normal method, then after we go to shortcut method. Okay. See here. Here we find out here a square minus ka minus 5i2 equals to 0. So a square, how to find out a square here? A into a is nothing but a square. So we write here 1334 into 1334. A square this is, okay, minus k into a. So a is nothing but 1334 minus 5 into I is nothing but identity matrix of order 2. I2 is nothing but identity matrix, that is nothing but 1001. That equals what is the given here? 0. So these are the given values. So here product of two matrices here. Product of two matrices, that is nothing but multiplication of two matrices. So how to multiply here? 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10. Okay. 1 into 3, 3 plus 3 into 4, 12. So 12 plus 3, 15. We get it. Okay. Next, same second row with second row, same operations will do with second row. Okay, like this. Right. So 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15 again. 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. Okay. So minus k into 1334 as it is we here. Okay. So minus 5 into 1, 5, 0, 0, 5 multiplied by 5. 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5. We get here that equals 0. So these are two matrices and having numbers. But here before k is there, so we don't use this one. So minus k of 1, 3, 3, 4 is there, take that side. So remaining two matrices subtracted will do. Okay, so how to do here? Plus 10 minus 5, plus 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. 15 minus 0, 15. 15 minus 0, 15. 25 minus 5, 20. So that equals to, we get here k into 1 3 3 4, take that side, plus we get here. Okay, so here 5 15 15 20, take common 5. What we get here? 5 into 5 ones are 5 threes are 5 threes are 5 fours are. So that equals to k into 1 3 3 4, we get here. So both are cancelled, we get here that value is nothing but 5. So k equals to 5. Same value we got here. So this is the actual method here, normal method. Okay, so then after we will do this one. Okay, so how to find out C here? Again, a square minus 2a. So a square is nothing but 1321 into 1321 minus 2 into a 1321. So that equals to what we get here? 1 into 1. So with the row, same column operations, row with column operations. So 1 into 1, 1, plus 3 into 2, 6. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7. Okay. Next. 1 into 3, 3, plus 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Next. Same operations with the second row. Okay. So 2 into 1, 2, plus 2 into 1, 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4 we get here. Next. 2 into 3, 6, plus 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 6, 7 we get here. Minus. Now multiply by 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. We get here. Okay. So 7 minus 2, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. So we get this value is nothing but a square minus 2a. Okay. So determinant of this one is nothing but so multiplying this one only. So 5 into 5, that is the determinant of a square minus 2a. So that is 25. So 25 is the determinant of a square minus 2a we get here. So how to written here directly? Option chosen here. See here. Okay. Now we go to shortcut method. Within fraction of seconds we find out here. Okay. Now we are using shortcut method. For any square matrix of order 2, so like this here, a b c d, then a square minus trace of a into a plus det a into I equals to 0. For any square matrix, this condition is possible. Clear? So what is the condition here? A square minus trace of a plus a square minus trace of a into a plus det a of I equals 0. So given two problems also solving by using this method. Okay. See here. A square, for this problem I will write here a square minus trace of a. Trace of a is nothing but the sum of diagonal elements, that is nothing but 5 into a. 5 into a plus determinant of a. Determinant of a is nothing but 4 into 1. 1 into 4, 4 minus 3 into 3, 9. So 1 minus 9 is nothing but minus 5. So minus 5 into I equals to 0. So we get here a square minus 5a minus 5i equals to 0. We get it. Clear? So on comparing this equation to a square minus ka minus 5i, then what we get here? K equals to 5 we get it directly. Okay. Suppose here constant value is given here, but here given this value, then here constant value is given. We find out here this value also. How to find out here? That is nothing but determinant. Okay. Suppose here k value is given here, but here constant value is given. How to find out here? That value is nothing but determinant of this matrix we take here. Okay. So next we go to this problem. Same here also for this matrix I will write here this condition. A square minus trace of A, that is nothing but sum of diagonal elements, 1 plus 1, sum of diagonal elements, so that is trace. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 into A, 2A. Trace of A is nothing but 1 plus 1, 2 into A is there, A I will write here, plus determinant of A. So what is the determinant of A? 1 into 1, 1, minus 2 into 3. AD minus BC, determinant of A for square matrix of order 2, AD minus BC. A comma B comma C comma D are the elements. Then what is the determinant here? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. We know that here. That is nothing but determinant of this matrix here. 1 into 1, 1, minus 2 into 3, 6. 1 minus 6 we get here. So 1 minus 6 is nothing but minus 5 we get here. Okay. So minus 5 into I equals to 0. So what we get here? A square minus 2A minus 5I equals to 0 we get here. Okay. So then after here, not find out this value. We find out a determinant of A square minus 2A. So now we'll write A square minus 2A value is nothing but 5I. A square minus 2A equals to 5I. So we find out a determinant of this one. So 5I is nothing but 5, 0, 0, 5. So we find out determinant of this one is nothing but AD minus BC. 5 5 is 25. 25 minus 0 is nothing but 25. Okay. So this is the very easy method. But for any square matrix of order 2, you know the condition A square minus trace of A into A plus det A of A, det A into I equals to 0. So that is the condition here. Okay. So remember this condition, you solve any type of problem, this type of problem you solve in fraction of seconds. Okay.